Hi everyone, welcome to MWC 2024. I'm Terrence from Xiaomi International, and I'm super excited to show you our booth this year. Let's go check it out. "2024 is the year that Xiaomi embarks on a new strategic vision: human, car, home. This booth today showcases our groundwork of this vision of the near future, a human-centric, smart ecosystem that is more complete, more intuitive, and more seamlessly connected than anything else in the world." Now, this vision starts from humble beginnings, making smart technology more ordinary, everyday, and natural. Beyond the home, Xiaomi also innovates in the area of technology on the go. Now, when it comes to Xiaomi smartphones, nothing is more iconic than our deep collaboration with the legendary Leica camera. Behind this collaboration is Xiaomi Insider, our imaging philosophy that places humans as the central focus of every single capture, both as subject and creator. Along the way, we've co-engineered several truly amazing smartphones to bring this camera experience to more of our users around the world, including our latest smartphone series, Xiaomi 14 series. So, we've talked about human, we've talked about home. Up last, the part you've all been waiting for. Meet Xiaomi SU7. Xiaomi SU7 was designed to perfectly complement and strengthen Xiaomi's entire smart ecosystem, closing the loop on human, car, home. That brings us to the end of our booth tour of Xiaomi at MWC 2024. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Xiaomi.